Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we are going to learn how to sharpen a knife. Let's get right to it. We are going to be sharpening our knife with a whetstone. So, because it is a whetstone, it needs to be wet. So we will wet it with some Wawa. Before sharpening our knife, we must find the rough and the fine. So we will start off on the rough, then end on the fine. So we will place our whetstone, which is already wet, on our cutting board. Now what we are going to do is we are going to place the knife like so at a 30 to 40 degree angle and run it from here all the way to the top, sliding it so it gets the whole entire blade. Like so. Don't mind the crusty blood marks on the blade. Now, you flip it. Remember to keep adding water to your whetstone so it does not scratch your blade. No. Another way to sharpen your knife would be small little circles, like so. Now we will flip it from the coarse side to the fine side. Add some water to it, not too much. So the coarse side is meant to take bigger chunks off pretty much, and then this fine side right here will pretty much make it smooth and nice and sharp. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much the process to it. I sharpen mine very often because I like mine nice and sharp. But it's personal preference on how long you want to sharpen it. Say you have quite a bit of nicks on it or just a little bit of rolls. You'd probably stay in the coarse side just to get those out. And then you'd spend pretty much the same amount of time on the fine side. But that is how you sharpen a knife, pretty much. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to sharpen a knife. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides.